Alright guys, so it's Ricky Repairs back in again. Today we have a 2003 2.3 Ford Ranger. Alright, just gonna remove this Phillips right here. That one. Maybe disconnect this. Loosen this Phillips right here. Remove this 10mm right here. After that, go ahead and put it back in so you don't lose your bolt. After that, put that to the side. Alright, so what we need to replace is the power steering hose. This one right here. As you can see, is really loose. Alright, let's go and loosen that right there. Alright, let's go and loosen that. I believe it's the size 18mm. So you need to use my adjustable wrench. There you have it. Make sure you have a drain pan underneath. After that, let's go to loosen that. Knocky. That right there. The size for that one is a 13mm. Could use a short socket. As you can see, go to loosen it. After that, could remove it by hand, hopefully. Once you're releasing enough. Yeah, it's coming out. Just want to get a better angle. As you can see, just gonna pull that out all the way. By hand. All right, after that, just go ahead and wiggle it. So you see it's just moving. Just gotta shake it, wiggle it. There you have it. Alright, just gonna pull that off. Alright, just gonna pull this up. Or you can just pull it from down here if you can. Just be careful. Just gonna go ahead and pull it up. Alright, don't forget to disconnect this connection right here. Where's this so good? This one. Just gonna slightly pull it upwards. After that, just wiggle it. It should come right off. All right, just gonna pull this bad boy. So there you have it. So go ahead and remove this little sensor right here. Just go ahead and loosen this. The size for that is a 13mm. And reinstall it in the new one. Size for that one is at 15mm. Just gotta remove it. Just gonna reinstall this one and the new one. If you want, go to pull that out and put the new gasket in there. So you see, included two. One right here and one right here. Might just keep that because it wasn't leaking from there. Or why not just replace it, right? Just gotta lube this one. Just get some transmission fluid right there on it. That slide it in. Just gonna install this one and the new one. There you have it. Just gonna reinstall it. Alright, just gonna reinstall it. Just gonna put this down just like that. This will go up here. Just go ahead and tighten it. Alright, so there you have it. Just go ahead and get the top. Alright, just go ahead and hand tighten it first. Alright, after that, go ahead and tighten it with your wrench. So once it won't spin no more, just use your wrench as I mentioned. Just gonna tighten that. Alright, so there you have it. Alright, after that, it's gonna reinstall this connection right here. This connection right here. Alright, so there you have it. After we connect it, I'm just gonna install everything back on. The air intake right here. Just gotta remove that 10mm. Alright, so there you have it. Let's go ahead and tighten this 10mm and the two flat here. That one right there and that one right there. That's the last thing to do. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.